Hi guys, it's DJ here from Cozy RC. We got the T800 F1 tunnel at the pond. Today we're going to run it on a 40mm motor, 2000 kV, 6S setup and a 40mm prop, 1.6 pitch. Actually I already speed ran it and that will be uploaded in a separate video. I got 107 kilometers an hour, which is about 67 miles an hour. And I made an official speed run according to the gpsspeedrun.com website, because this season I'm competing in the speed running with this F1 tunnel and probably with some more of my hulls. And now we're going to fun run it, so let's go. Get you zoomed in a bit. Alright. So it is a very high RPM setup, and I ran it the last time as well, but then I ran it with a 38mm prop. Yeah, it wants to pick up against the wind. Nice. So I have to be careful driving against the wind. So let's make another sprint here. I zeroed the GPS, so let's see what we get now. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, it does run better with the 40mm prop compared to the 38mm prop, because the 38mm prop has just 2 less blade area in the water to make a decent turn, and now is better with this 40mm prop. Nice. Running very nice. Oh, a little bit too close to the shore there. So there's a little wind, there's a little bit chop in the water, but this is actually perfect. Nice. It's running nice and loose, but not too loose. Wow, this boat has some power. I love it. I'm selling this boat as a laser cut kit with a carbon cowl cockpit, but there's a waiting list currently until approximately July because of the many orders I got. And especially making the cowl takes me some time because I hand lay it over a mold. So guys, if you ordered one already, please be patient. Oh, it's quit. Probably the lipo. Please be a little bit patient. Now the weather gets warmer, I will start making the cowls again. So you will receive your order, don't worry. Let's see what kind of speed we got. Wow, it ran beautiful. No flips, nothing. That's great. Oh, I see some people moving here, probably some fishermen. Okay. Yeah, you have to share the pond with different hobbies. $104. Nice. Still really good. That's great. That's it for this F1 tunnel. I'm going to run my M500 next, but that will be probably in a separate video. So see you guys soon. Bye.